Hello, my name is Navni and today we are going to talk about Kumkumadi Oil of Vedas Cure. This product is designed to impart young, healthy and radiant skin by incorporating the exotic and premium 24K Gold Flakes, as well as a blend of oils and several other natural ingredients processed in sesame oil. Is there a good time to use anti-aging products? Different factors can influence the aging process of the skin. It is advisable to start protecting your skin between the ages of 25 and 30. Vedas Cure Kumkumadi Oil has been dermatologically tested and found to be non-irritating. The best Kumkumadi oil in India is Vedas Cure Kumkumadi Oil. I know you will like this a lot. So call now and book your order or talk to our skin expert, that too absolutely free.